Hello. Welcome to my channel. Look, I'm looking different today. I'm standing, I'm not sitting down. I decided to stand in this video. Okay, in this video, we'll be looking at part two of the lace. We'll try to make use of all these methods are listed as you can see in your screen, and we will also do more if we're permitted by time. So quickly, let's get started on how to make use of these functions. So the first thing I have the append, declare. Let me tell you what append do. Append adds just a single item to a list at a particular time. Add a single item to a list at a particular time. So let's take this as our list. We have let me call this USA equals to let me say 1 4 gold. Okay, I have this as USA. If I want to add another item to the list, just a single item, I'll use USA.append and I'll put the item that will be added into the list, which is let me say 78. Then in this situation, I print my USA and I have 78 added there. Then the next thing we'll look at clear. What does clear do? So if we do USA dot clear, what is expected of us? I think it will clear the list. USA. They now have an empty list. So clear clears the list. Then when we have copy, what does copy do? I think copy make duplicates the list. So if I have my USA back to be this, okay, let me see, good. To be this, I can see that I have USA this. I say USA underscore copy, USA underscore copy, sorry, copy equals to, no, USA dot copy. What I have, it copies the list USA, print it out. So let me say I do it this way. USA underscore copy. Because to this, I don't know, will this go? Yeah, it actually worked. That's good. Copy. You see, it produced another copy of the list. So we've seen append, clear, copy, count. What does count do? What does count do? Count actually gives us the number, the frequency of occurrence of a particular item. Let me add a 78 and some other thing there to this list USA before I make use of that count. That's the, I want to make use of the method extend. So I will have here what USA a dot extend. I need an interval. So let me just say I need extend 111 comma 34 24. Also sorry, that's 23 24 12 12 78 and I end that. Good. So I want to print my USA. You see, it has become a list there. If I want to count how many times the item one appeared in the list, I simply do USA dot count one and gives me 4 times. Let's see. It's 1 2 3 4. Good. So we've seen two methods, extend and count. Now, index is just used to get the index position. Let me say USA dot index, USA dot index 134 gives me one, because in computer science we start counting from zero. So the first one here takes zero. What if I do USA index 1? What will it give me? USA index 1. It gives me 0 because it processes and it picks the first occurrence, the first index position of that particular item. Good. Then we have the insert, we have the pop, we have the remove, we have the reverse, and we have the sort. Now the reverse works in a way as this USA dot reverse, please. Sorry, let me call this A equals to USA dot reverse. Put A. Sorry, let me see. Did we print A? It's actually have none. So I'll show you more about the reverse. But let's look at remove and pop. Pop is to take out an item, and as it takes out the item, it displays the item that was taken out. So I can have USA dot pop, and this works with index position. Uh, Let me go by pop 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna pop 6. Let me see. So that's taken away the item at the index position 6. If I go with USA, I find out that my 1, the place where I have triple 1 is missing. So that's for pop. Pop works with index position. What about remove? USA dot remove. This works with a value, which is an item in the list. So if I want to remove 1, it's gone. USA. You find out that it takes the first occurrence of that number 1. So far, before I do that, we can say sort. We can use sort. Now, sort works in a way that when you sort a list, you have totally changed the list. Remember, I'll do this USA underscore copy 2 equals to the present copy USA dot copy. Then I have my USA underscore copy 2 to be this, and I have my USA to be this. So there are two equal lists. Then if I say USA dot sort, the sort can do this. Now it brings USA, sorted USA. Now and it has changed it totally. But if I don't change it, I'll use sorted. I'll use sorted USA. Get I'll use sorted USA. So let me use USA copy 2, close back. It gives me the sorted list. I can also have my USA copy 2 as unsorted. So if you want to sort a list and retain the original list, it's either you duplicate the list, you create a copy of the list before sorting, or you actually use sorted and not the list of sorts. This can actually also work in a reverse way. That USA that was sorted in ascending order, I can sort it in a descending order using USA dot sort. I don't have a key for sort, so I can use reverse. Reverse equals to true. So USA, and it goes the other way round. Thank you very much for watching. Let me try something. USA dot sort. Let me use key equal to 24. So it gives me an error. Okay, so we'll stop here in this video. We'll stop here in this video because we have actually used close to 10 minutes in this video. Please, thank you for watching. Please comment your observation, react to our videos, and in the next video on list, I'll ensure that I put you through the reverse method and using the key in sorting. Please, one more favor, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe and always react to our channel and blog. Thank you. Please have a nice day. Bye bye.